Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the $5 Dollar Tree Christmas Centerpiece hosted by Sherri from Pretty.Simple.Sherri and Jessica from Measure and Mix, and they wanted us to take just $5 to our local dollar store. It could be anything, and here it's called Always 99. You can never find something at 99 cents, but I found this ones on the clearance bin and they costed me just 49 cents because you can see the packages are a bit damaged. They're missing one ornament, but I don't need that. I needed the ornaments. And I stole this pool noodle from my son, and I'm going to glue it to make a wreath. I'm going to add to that cost 8 packages of ornaments that I have from last year, and if we count them at 49 cents, we're going to have our $5. So, I'm gonna make a cute ornament centerpiece out of all of this and the ones that I'm gonna look for. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take some duct tape and we're gonna wrap it around to make a wreath using that duct tape. And then we're gonna start adding our ornaments on the base of our wreath so we can have cute pink base because we're gonna use pink, blue, silver and glitter ornaments, and also white ones. And as you can see, I'm removing the caps of the ornaments to glue them to my pool noodle that's now a wreath. And we're gonna create that base just like that, and I found that this is the best way to stick them to the pool noodle. First, you push your glue gun and add some hot glue to your ornament, and that's the best way to get them to stick to your pool noodle. You're going to continue adding the base ones, those 2 packages, and going around making a pattern so all of them show when you finish your wreath. You continue adding them just like that. All around. And then you have your base to start your ornaments and all of that, and building up your centerpiece. As you can see, I added lots of them. And we continue adding some ornaments all around. You have to remember to remove all the glue strands you see, because if not, it's gonna get really difficult to remove them. And now we're filling up our wreath using smaller ornaments and pieces of some flowers that I had that had those berries. That was a garland that I had from last year, and I'm adding that to fill in the gaps because I don't want my pool noodle to show. We add all of those and that's it. You will have your centerpiece. As you can see, I keep on adding them. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have the ornaments over here. I added this vase with a candle in the center, and this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.